Hello, so we have the build engine in. We've just got the dummy gearbox. There's nothing actually in there, just a hollow case. I've got a flywheel, the one with the stress cracks, bolted up to the crank just so we can start it. Everything's all on, it's looking good. First of all, I'm going to leave the spark plugs out just so we can crank it over and get oil pressure. Then I'll put the spark plugs back in and let's fire it up. Ooh, here we go. I've got a mechanical oil pressure gauge. This is for the rear engine. Who the fuck put a gear shifter linkage there? Alright. Have that off. Right, here we go. Three, two, one. All right, we're on. Probably should have just waited until we had the clutch and gearbox back in, but I need to hear these new cams. And besides, to pull the gearbox back out of here, that intercooler pipe comes off. Don't mind the wiring, there's just shit everywhere at the moment. Bell housing bolts, and out comes the gearbox, so it's pretty easy. There we go. Big cams that are in the back here make the engine so much more louder than the front. Have a listen to this. So this is the rear engine. So much quieter.